Today I'm going to show you how to change window wipers on a Ford Puma. First, lift the window wipers. If you want to take your wiper off, push down on the little button, pull out. Put a new one back in. I'll put a link in the description below for these. Basically, you just put it back in and snaps in place. Just give a tug on it, make sure it's good. So from a different angle, you're going to notice I'm lining that ridge up here, and then it moves in. So, all right. All you have to do is then put these down gently. Don't smack metal potentially against the windshield. And for the back window wiper, you're going to want to come back here. This one you have to be a little more forceful rather than graceful. I'm just going to put my thumb there and pull out on it. So basically I'm going to line that bar up with this notch. So just line up that notch. Hear it snap. Once it snaps into place, you can just lower this and you're good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.